Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can sign up into your online banking account of Bank of Islam. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up into your online banking account. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Before we get started, just a reminder, in case if you don't have an account on Bank of Islam, then you'll not be able to sign up into your online banking account. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link, that is www.bankofislam.biz. You can also find the link on my description box below. On the other page, you will be directed into official site, and out here the interface looks something like this. In order to sign up, you'll have to tap on first time user, which is in the right hand side corner. So once you tap on it, on the other page you have terms and condition. So once you've gone through it, so then tap on terms and condition, which is in the bottom left corner. So once you do that, tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. On the other page, you'll have to select the method in which way you want to register. So out here you can see that there's no option, but you'll have to go on with debit card or iCard. So then tap on continue, which is in the bottom left corner. Once you do that, on the other page you'll have to enter your debit card number. So make sure to enter the correct one, and after that you'll have to enter the PIN. So once you're done entering all your information, make sure to review it once again. Only then tap on continue in the bottom left corner. As soon as you tap on continue, and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you'll get to create a new login information or your profile ID. So basically you'll have to create user ID or your profile ID and then password in order to log in into your device. So once you're done creating your sign in or login information, on the other page you'll automatically sign up into your online banking account of Bank of Islam. So that is how you can sign up into your online banking account of Bank of Islam. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.